Greetings, so this is the tutorial video for the too many cards trick, and I hope you have watched the performance, so if you haven't, go and watch that one first. But now let's dive right into it. If you do not know how it works, I will tell you right now that it's a key card. You need a key card, that's it. It might sound simple, and it is simple, but it's not your typical key card thing. It's not on the top or on the bottom, no. You need to memorize a few things. The first thing you need to memorize is that the key card is 22nd card from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So there's the King of Hearts. That's actually the same. That's just pure chance, but this is actually the same key card that I had in the tutorial video. I really should have a close-up map, as you can see. I used to have one, but it wasn't very durable, let's say that. So that's the 22nd card. Now you can actually have the spectator shuffle the cards and give you need some kind of a excuse to look through the cards and count the cards and remember the 22nd card. You can, for example, say, I'm going to just count the cards, that all cards are in the deck, that there are 52 cards, and then you memorize the 22nd card, okay? Or you can memorize it beforehand. And you can actually shuffle the deck. As you can see, if you watch my performance video, you can see that I shuffled the deck in the beginning. I did it like this. Just you can pull the cards here, just a normal overhand shuffle, but don't go over the 22nd card. So only a few cards here, and put them back on the bottom. Now the card is still in 22nd position. And you can do the same thing on the top. So shuffle a few cards. Here you can go a little bit deeper and put them back on the top. And this is what it looks like if you do it kind of. First you do here on the bottom, then you throw that and instantly start on top, so it looks kind of nice, okay? So you can do that if you want to. But the position of that key card does not change, it's still in the 22nd position. Now, this is what you do. You ask the spectator to cut a small packet of cards. They cannot cut more than, for example, they can't cut more than 2/3 or something along that lines, because they cannot cut the key card. So take out the small packet, shuffle, take a look at the top card. Actually, in this case, I'm going to leave the top card here face up so you can see it when we are dealing. And now you ask them to cut more than half of what is left. So they cut more than half, that makes that they do that, and now the key card is in here. You push those cards aside, they can give a few cuts, it doesn't matter. Now, you go through the deck. You need an excuse, something like you say, I can't know where the card is, and you separate the deck at a few points. And when you see your key card, you separate the deck at that point and just put it on top. You cut the deck. You cut your key card to the face of the deck, or to the bottom of the deck, however you want to say it. Now, at this point, all you need to do is deal the cards to 2 piles. You can say something that you have too many cards. And how do you know which pile you eliminate? Well, of course, now you can see that you're going to eliminate this pile, but normally, of course, you wouldn't see the card. It would be face down. So you're going to eliminate the pile, or let's say you're going to keep the pile where the last card in your hand lands on. So where the last card goes, that is the pile that you keep. And if you do it like that, it will always work. And you will always have the selected card will always be in that pile, like here. That's the last card landed here, so that's the pile we keep. The other one you can put away. Now, at this point, the key card, I mean not the key card is now on top of the deck. You don't actually need this card, but it just happens that it's on the top of this packet, okay? And at this point, the selected card is exactly 16th from the top, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is crucial, and it will always happen, that it will always be 16 cards down at this point. So basically you could do anything. You could count 16 cards and turn it over and say that's your card. But the nice thing is that when it's 16th cards down, or 16 cards down, if you take every other card like this, don't count them down on the table. Don't do that, because that will reverse the order of the cards and it will not work. So you do that and take the cards that are here, okay, and you place them away. So the first card goes up, the second card goes down and up and down. Every other card goes up and down, and you take the cards that are here, out-choked here, and you always keep the in-choked cards in your hand. And you can do this so many times that you have either 2 cards left like I do, or you have 3 cards left. Okay, and it doesn't matter if you have 2 cards left, you're doing the same thing. The top card goes always up and the next card goes down, and you place it, of course, always these cards go away, so you're left with the selected card. It's easy. So if you have, for example, in the end you have 3 cards, you would be in this position and you would do this. Okay, so it always works. The only thing you need that is not it does not follow the rule is when you first time you count the cards. When you first do this, because this time you need to watch where the last card here goes and eliminate the other pile. But after that you are free, and you can always do the same thing here, and always the cards that are out-choked go away. Okay, so that's it, and it's a great trick, okay? And if you can do some sleight of hand like 4 shuffles, something like that, it's even a better trick. So, but anyways, hope you enjoyed that, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this trick. I will be putting more. They will all be impromptu tricks that I put in my channel, but nonetheless, they will be good tricks, okay? So, and check out my other videos, and I have nothing else to say. So, hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day, and goodbye.